Saturn, the sixth planet from our Sun. A gas giant with a majestic presence. It's not just big, it's a giant among giants. Twice the diameter of Jupiter. But there's more to Saturn than its size. It boasts a dazzling system of rings, visible even from Earth with a simple telescope. These rings, a swirling ballet of ice and rock, make Saturn a truly unique and breathtaking spectacle in our solar system. Saturn has captivated astronomers for centuries. Galileo, with his rudimentary telescope, was the first to glimpse its rings, although he didn't know what they were. He described them as ears. Since then, we've sent spacecraft to study this ringed planet up close, revealing its secrets one by one. Like all planets in our solar system, Saturn was born from a swirling cloud of gas and dust, what we call the solar nebula. This nebula, a remnant of our Sun's formation, contained all the ingredients for planets. Gravity pulled these ingredients together, forming clumps that grew larger over time. One such clump became Saturn. As Saturn gathered more and more material, its gravity intensified. It pulled in vast amounts of hydrogen and helium, the lightest elements in the universe. These gases formed Saturn's massive atmosphere, a thick turbulent shroud that hides a core of rock and ice. Saturn doesn't travel alone, it's a cosmic shepherd surrounded by a flock of over 145 moons. Each moon has its own story, its own unique composition and history. Some are icy worlds, others are cratered and ancient. Some are small, like pebbles next to a grapefruit. Others are gigantic, like Titan, larger than the planet Mercury. Why does Saturn have so many moons? It's all about gravity. Saturn's immense gravitational pull acts like a net, capturing passing objects. Asteroids, comets, even dwarf planets. If they stray too close to Saturn, they risk becoming trapped in its orbit, adding to its ever-growing moon collection. Section 4. The Rings of Saturn. Saturn's rings are its most iconic and awe-inspiring feature. They're not mere solid structures, but a mesmerizing collection of icy particles ranging in size from tiny dust grains to colossal mountains. These particles orbit Saturn in a delicate, thin plane, creating the breathtaking illusion of solid rings when viewed from afar. The origin of Saturn's rings remains one of the greatest mysteries of our solar system. One compelling theory suggests they were born from the remnants of a shattered moon. Another fascinating idea proposes that they're the primordial material from Saturn's formation, never coalescing into a moon. Whatever their origin, the rings are a dynamic and ever-changing marvel, constantly sculpted by the powerful gravity of Saturn and its many moons. Section 5. Exploring the Giant. We've sent robotic emissaries to Saturn, spacecraft like Pioneer 11, Voyager 1 and 2, and the Cassini-Huygens mission. These missions have beamed back stunning images and a wealth of data, revolutionizing our understanding of Saturn, its rings, and its moons. Cassini, in particular, spent over a decade orbiting Saturn, revealing the secrets of its atmosphere, its rings, and its moons. It discovered geysers erupting from Enceladus, hinting at a subsurface ocean that could harbor life. It landed a probe on Titan, revealing a world with methane lakes and an atmosphere thicker than Earth's. Future missions are already being planned. These missions will delve deeper into the mysteries of Saturn, exploring its moons in greater detail, searching for signs of life, and unraveling the story of this magnificent ringed giant.